Hi, everyone. Um, Today, I would like to talk to you about scaling your business. You know that I've been working with CEOs of scale ups who want to take the company to the next level. In order to do that, first of all, the CEO or the executive team, they need to actually up level themselves first, right? They need to feel like they can do it and they can lead the teams below to actually step into that. But speaking of business, what does it mean to scale your business? So it really means that you are preparing for the growth so that you can actually handle the growth and you're not surprised and you're not trying to always firefight and figure it out as you go under this really immense pressure and stress. And some of that will happen anyway. So if you're lucky and your business grows faster than you think, well done. And you'll have to, anyway, kind of catch up with it. But you don't want to set up yourself for failure without planning properly. So scaling your business is really planning and then executing. But planning first. You need to plan your kind of revenues growth. What does it mean? What's the volume? Whether it's service or product, what does it really mean? How much capacity do you have? And how fast can you actually deliver so that you keep clients happy? So it requires also looking at the systems you have in place, the technology that you have in place, the support, even the Zoom that I use. You probably know that it has different levels of how many people can be on Zoom. What does it offer? So even that is kind of that CTO knowledge that you need to figure out and have hopefully you have CTO to help you with that. Most important, you have to plan your resources. And that's not only planning how many people, how much headcount, that of course as well when you deliver products or services that require a workforce, of course, but it's also really strategically planning for where do you want to be and what will be your structure to handle that growth then and there, and who do you need to bring on as a talent so that that talent supports you in growing that business. And lastly, you may also think about the partners, the partnerships, whether it's different companies or individual partners that will support you with it. Coaching being one of the partnership that you may want to go after because you may need that. Whether you bring someone from outside, you may need them to embrace the culture of the company you already have, or if you want to bring and develop the talent inside, you may need to have support with that. And lastly, when you have all of that planned together, you need to price it out and see how much does it cost you. So you'll need to kind of see what's the investment that you will need for that. So kind of that's the rough way to look at what do you need to scale if you want to do it properly and what kind of vision and plan and goals and lead your team through it. And then when you think about you yourself as a CEO, what's really important is that you strategically think forward and see what kind of talent do you need to bring to support you with. Because when you scale the business, you cannot do it yourself anymore. You need your leadership team, and you need to be able to delegate to them. Otherwise, you will really crash. And this is why also clients come to me for help, because they feel like everything is on their shoulders because they have not set up yet that solid kind of foundation for the growth. They were able to decide on everything themselves and kind of go into every escalation with the clients because they were always there. But as you grow, you'll need people that you can trust, that you can delegate to, and you won't be able to watch them do it, if that makes sense. So anyway, it's very exciting. If you are scaling your business, congratulations. It's amazing. You've been doing something right if you are in this place. And please don't underestimate that work that needs to be put into scaling up, so that the growing pains are really just growing pains and not a disaster pains, and not bringing you more pressure than you really need to have. So if that's interesting, please leave me some comments, or I'd love to hear from you. You can send me a direct message and we can chat about it. Thanks, and bye for now.